We are looking at the Invicta, invincible in detail since 1837. This is a gold-toned stainless steel case, 48 millimeter diameter by 16.8 millimeters thick. It's got a black dial, luminous hands, and hour markers. It's a Japanese quart movement. It's got a VD53 caliber, assembled in Japan. SR 920 SAM-W battery included. The watch weight is 190 grams. Gold-toned stainless steel and black silicone band, 240 millimeter length times 26 millimeter width, and a buckle clasp. It has flame fusion crystal, push-pull crowns, uni-directional stainless steel bezel with black top bezel ring. Functional, subdials 60 minutes, 60 seconds, 24 hours, 100 meter water resistant, suitable for recreational surfing, swimming, snorkeling, sailing, and water sports. Not suitable for diving. Now that is straight off of the list that I just read you. It's a beautiful watch. It has the date and everything, and it has the stopwatch function, the timer function that is, and the bezel rotates. Has a nice click feel to it. Of course, it's not broke in. So let me bring that around to the top where I like it. It says it's the Invicta Pro Diver, and it's stainless steel. Now, it's interesting that it says it's not for diving, but it's a Pro Diver. So it's only good for water resistant, suitable for recreational surfing, swimming, snorkeling, sailing, and water sports. Not suitable for diving. So having said that, it is a very nice, beautiful watch in its own style. It's not some other, fancy watch or anything, but it's a pretty cool watch. I like it. There's the Invicta logo right there. It was a gift. I had a Sam's Club gift card, a few of those, and I was like, what am I going to get that is really looks like it might be fun? So I was walking by the jewelry section, and I saw this watch, and I've seen them before. They always caught my eye because they are kind of flashy. And not that it's an expensive watch, but it's really a cool watch, in my opinion. Now, I have a Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and it does all the stuff. It's got built-in LTE, everything. But once in a while, you like to wear a mechanical watch, and I thought this would be pretty cool. So I'm liking it. I've had it for probably a little over a month, and I really enjoy it. Now, I only wear it once in a while. I don't wear it to work on the car. I don't wear it to work in the garden. I don't wear it unless, I'm going somewhere and I need to wear a watch, or I'd like to wear a watch. Nobody needs a watch with a phone. You got a clock on your phone. But sometimes you just feel like wearing a watch. So I just thought I'd share that with you guys. I want to thank you for stopping by the channel. Please hit like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one.